Here's how to separate and extract voice lines for AMVs and edits like this. Step 1. Prepare clip or audio. The website I will use supports most file formats, video, audio like .mp4 and .mp3. However, the results will be extracted as an audio file. If you have an entire episode, simply cut it down to your desired segment and export it. I recommend deselecting video to speed up the entire process. Step 2. Extracting. Now head over to this website, the link is in the description. Click Browse My Files and locate your file. If you do not see it, change it from Custom Files to All Files and then import. It will begin analyzing the audio. Once done, it will separate the vocals from the music. You can now freely adjust the levels to hear the difference between the two. If I want to keep the vocals, I will turn down the music to 0 and then pick a format. I highly recommend .mp3 for edits. I'll explain why in the description. Click Save, and since I only want the vocals, I'll select the vocal option. Now I've got a vocal only version of the audio. If I want to keep the music, I do the opposite. Vocal at 0 and music at 100. Then select music. If I want to keep parts of the vocals or music at a lower level, I can turn it down. For example, down to 25 for music and click music plus vocal. Now I've got both. Peace.